Gold with the chrome to your dome, chrome sprocket, sweetheart or whatever they call it with the hearts on it. It's going crazy. That gold seat post, budget bike bill. Lego.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Alright. Almost done. We're getting there. Finally got our headset spacers. Hopefully. Well, those will be enough to basically fill that space right there. And then we got our brakes that I'm actually going to put. These were for our 29er jet fuel, but they came with 2 identical sets. So instead of putting silver on here, I'm gonna put gold. I'm gonna send these silver ones back, because they cost more anyway. So it's a good deal. So I got 2 for 1. These are like 16, like 16, 17 bucks off eBay. These headset spaces you get from Pork Chop. I said these are for the jet fuel 29er build. I even had to get me some wire cuts too, so we can get this brake line cut we about to put on. We already got our chain, just waiting on our pedals. They'll be here tomorrow or the day after, one of those. I gotta check my Amazon report. But we're rolling the next couple of days. Take these silver ones off, get gold on there. Headset spaces, nice clean look. You wanna see the threaded? You wanna see the threads? We gonna get rolling. So almost there. Coming soon. Lego. Didn't take very long at all. Got these gold V-brakes on here. Not bad, not bad. They fit good. You know, they some cool aluminum, you know what I'm saying? Not too expensive. They don't look like they're gonna warp or bend or nothing, so they look like they sturdy. 16, 17 bucks, however much they were, not bad. Come over here to this drop still headset. I end up using all the spacers, so you can see. Get a closer look. As you can see, I end up using all the spacers. I don't mind the long neck look. It's gonna be a nice, cool little cruiser. Well, it is a nice, cool little cruiser. All the rest of the gold accents. Yeah. In the lab, almost done. Them gold pedals on there. Let me get these brakes. Already got the line down there. Brakes is locked and loaded, ready to go. Already scuffed, but it's okay. Side. Looking good though. Let's keep it moving. Next step, we got a new seat post coming and a seat cover until I find the seat that I want. So that'll be in a couple days. And that's it. Oh yeah, and the pedals, I just said that, but anyway. I don't talk too much, I feel like I'm repeating myself. But let's go. Hard to even get the full bike in the frame. There it is so far. Got the gold brakes on there. Of course, the wheel and the V-brakes are causing trouble. This is the hardest part on each build. Is getting the back wheel aligned straight. Going from a mountain bike to a BMX style and getting the V-brake situated. But I got the line ran. Everything's looking good so far. Got the line. Just gotta do some adjusting and get the chain on there. But I like how these pedals look on there, gold with the chrome. To your dome, chrome sprocket, sweetheart or whatever they call it with the hearts on it. It's going crazy. That gold seat post. This is only $5, so it don't fit exactly right, but $5. When I find my other seat, I just give it away. But yeah. Budget bike bill. Let go.